Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Maricel Puntukan. I am 45 years old, single mom with 2 kids, age 13 years old, and the older one is 21 years old. I live in Davao City, Philippines. My educational attainment is high school graduate. My working experience is in Hong Kong. I take care of 2 children, age 3-year-old and 9-year-old for 2 years. Every morning, I send the children in the school bus, and after that, I going back home and I'll do the household chores like cleaning, marketing, cooking, ironing. My working experience here in the Philippines, I'm taking care of 7 years old kids and 1-year-old baby for 2 years. And I do also the household chores. For my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to do my best to serve your family better. Thank you, ma'am and sir.